Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you cell phone mount. I know there's not too many solutions for cell phone mount in new Taycan. I was researching on forums and Google, and some people put it right here using the Pro Clip, but then it seems like it's pinching this leather, so I didn't want to damage anything. And some people use the vent mount, but they said don't mount anything because it's very thin plastic. So some people broke that piece, and look how thin it is. Look at that. So you cannot clip it there. And I know some of you on the forum was arguing the fact that you can just put the phone in the center console, and I'll show you the center console. This is center console. Look, in here, there's a wireless charging, but you have to put in there, make it face out, and you have to shove it in here. But I needed the wires to power the black box and the car charger, because there's no other USB plug onto this side or anything like that. There's no plugs other than there's a cigarette adapter and then USB-Cs. Thing about Porsche center console is it doesn't stay open. Look, it doesn't lock. I think a lot of the owners can agree, but when this is closed, when you open it, you literally have to open it with your elbow to get something, and it's very awkward. Very hard to take it out. And when you're done, you know you're gonna forget to take your phone out, and it's just gonna sit in the hot car. So I had to put it either here, and another solution that I found was attach these dash mount suction cup that doesn't come out, and then make the plastic mount come out and maybe mount it like this. So when I'm driving, I can look at it that way, like this. Now you're gonna see the ugly plastic piece coming out, and you have to put a suction cup, so it looks pretty ghetto. So I think the most luxury way to put it is here with a Pro Clip, but I don't want to look down when I'm driving because it gets dangerous. And I know some of you says, hey, you have a CarPlay, why would you need to use your phone? This one doesn't, it's not as fast as using, Google Maps or finding Starbucks real quick, check the traffic real quick before you set the navigation. Obviously, I'm more used to using the phone, and the phone is much faster than this system or any other system. iPhone or Android is faster than any brand's navigation system or their electronic system. So I want to use my phone. And sometimes I can check my email when I'm sitting here. It's very hard to do, or take it out from here when I'm parked. This is the best solution I came up with. So when I'm sitting, I sit up about like this. Phone is right there attached. This is magnetic holder. It's a halo lock from ESR, but you can get different brands. I'm just using this. And this is a mag lock from basically iPhone. I have an iPhone, but Android users can get a magnetic holder for their Android device. So anything, but this is how I mounted it. Okay, so this is how I mounted it. Look at this, check this out. It's a 3M tape, and it attaches to this plastic piece, so it doesn't actually bother this electronic unit. It's just this plastic dash. So double-sided tape goes there, and there's an extension arm that goes, and it's super cheap. It's like $5 or so. That's it. And then all these ball mounts are universal for any like Amazon car mount system. And ESR halo lock system, so it's magnetic. The USB-C to USB-A system, so you can just put the wire down like this. It's hard to see because look, when you're driving you can't see, and from here you can like push it down further, or you can get like thinner wire and it will literally go in there. So I followed, so right here I followed the wire, just hit the wire, and this way all the way down. I hit the wire there underneath that leather or plastic piece, and it goes all the way, and it goes up to the center console. And this is like the little wire management clip. Actually sit down, press 1. Okay, so this is my driving position. So it's very hard to see, and it's very, very clean install. And if you don't want this light, I like it because you know that it is powered on, but you can take it out. You can just take it out, reverse it, and then put it on like this, because the USB is both ways. But I like that the wire is lit up. So phone is heavier, so when it's attached, it pushes this down. So there's no vibration when you're driving. So let me put the phone there and then record it. Okay, so I'm gonna be plugging in iPhone 13 Pro. That's it. There you go. You can look at weather real quick. Say you're going to Best Buy, but you want to stop by Starbucks real quick, but you don't want to use this system. You don't want to deal with it. So you can open up Google and then just work on this. When you have to look at YouTube real quick, look at that. And you can just watch it. In my view, it doesn't block it because it looks like this, like a ride height button back here. You know what I mean? Right here, the dampers, the setting can control everything here. So those two buttons unnecessary. Even this traction control off. So I thought this is like the perfect solution. And when you take this off, how clean is this look? So from the side, look at this. Like Porsche should have built something like this, like an attachment, and sell it for $400. But then I have a wire right there, so you can like plug it in without hiding the cables. Something like that, you know. Give a nice option for users, and that'll be good, because people will buy it, especially Porsche owners. Not me. I know my Taycan viewers are rich. They're just buying turbos and turbo S's, and I mean, I have base and I almost paid ridiculous amount of money. So I know when you order all the options with a turbo S, it's gonna be crazy, and you guys just pay for it. So like something like that for $300, you know you guys gonna pay for it. So this is the look for iPhone 13 Pro, and horizontally this is what it looks like. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let me put that on. This is vertically, and by the way, that's my channel. So please subscribe and follow my channel if you have a Taycan, or if you're thinking of buying a Taycan, follow my channel. I'll put a lot more videos. And this is horizontally. So it works perfect, and wireless charging. This is super nice. Look at this. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.